Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is me showing you how I use this acrylic dip powder that I bought from Amazon recently. I think it was £25, so not expensive at all. It's just one of those standard acrylic sets that you get from Amazon. I've done lots of Amazon sets, reviewing them and demoing them on my channel, so if you're wanting to see any more of me trying out some sets, then scroll through my channel because that's basically all I do. But yeah, this set was about £25 from Amazon. It took about a week to get here, so not long at all. And I will be doing my nails on this beautiful hand that I also got from Amazon. I'm not going to really show you the whole process of prepping, but I'm using nail tips I also bought from Amazon. Like, cool theme going there. And this nail glue that I also got from Amazon. If you're a big lover of Amazon, get on my channel and have a look, because Amazon's great, and I will let you know how much Amazon is amazing. But yeah, never use this glue, so I've just had to chop the end off. But yeah, we've got a base, an activator, a top coat and a brush cleaner, and then all the acrylics. Lots of colours, glitters, shimmers and mattes, and honestly the colour selection's so pretty. I think that's what made me actually buy the set. I'm so glad I did buy the set because it's such a good set to experiment with, because it's easy to use, but if you don't really know how to use dip powder, then you're not going to do that well. Like, this is the first time I'm using it now, as you can see, and I can tell you I've used this set quite a few times since, and I'm so much better at it, but you get the idea. So here I was just trying out a different method. Obviously this is a dip powder and you're supposed to dip your nails in, but I just wanted to see what it'd be like sprinkling it on. And as you can see on that glittery nail, it didn't quite give me the coverage I wanted, because you can kind of see the brown underneath it, which I don't like. So now I'm using the dip method with this beautiful orange colour. And I think the reason why I was struggling to actually get the product on the nail is because I'm using this fake hand, and the fake hand doesn't bend that way. It's kind of heavy. So if you are doing it on your own nails, then great. And I will say, this method, just dipping your nails in acrylic, is so much easier than using a monomer and brush method, making a bead and painting it on your nails, because that method is a lot more difficult and it's a lot more complicated, where this is very basic. But then again, these nails didn't turn out the best, just because I don't really know what I'm doing, plus I'm not doing it on a proper hand. Here you can see that for some reason the gel is taking on the tip, but not really this fake nail situation, so I'm having to put a few more layers on this fake nail part, but then it just created a lump, and I tried to smooth out the lump with my finger, which kind of worked, but it's not ideal. But then again, once you put top coat on, it worked out well. So this is the activator. This is Cure, this is kind of like monomer, so it's making the acrylic set, and that will keep the nail sturdy and make sure that the tip doesn't fly off. And then that's also gel. What I like about this gel is you don't need to use a UV light to cure it. But I'm just giving you a little idea of what other colours you can get. This really shimmery colour, and obviously the glitter colour, and those two matte colours. You get 8 different colours in the set, and just play around with them. But I would recommend this set 100%. Yes, these nails didn't turn out the best, but then again, it was just due to my skill. So if you are wanting to buy, please go for it. I can link it down below if you'd like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, don't mind my little nail coming off there, because, you know. But yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, comment, and, you know,